Good morning, greetings, and salutations, you guys. It's Hayden here. Welcome to another episode of the vlog. It is a pretty overcast day today, and I think it's because it's supposed to be raining tomorrow, and I think it's supposed to be raining all day. So I don't know. The clouds are like rolling in. They're getting ready to get crazy, but it is the week after Cade's birthday. And well, after his birthday weekend, it's Monday, and there is a lot of stuff to clean up. We really just like left all of it. We just let it go because everyone was just so tired. But I'm gonna start the cleaning today. Mom had a dentist appointment this morning, so she is not here. The kids are off to school, and there is a bunch of stuff that needs to be put away. Even like the pillows are in shambles. And I feel like I could never let the house get like this, but I mean, we weren't crazy. I guess the kids had some soup or something this morning because it's a pretty chilly day today. But yeah, so that's what's gonna happen right now. I'm just gonna clean up the house, and I think I need to turn on some lights. It's pretty dark inside of here. Alright, you guys, I didn't even tell you what we were doing. So right now, Mom and I are making tuna melts. This one's actually going to be a salmon melt because I accidentally opened some salmon instead of tuna. But it's okay, same thing. And I just put some mayo, and then this is the garlic sauce spread dip from Trader Joe's. Just a tablespoonful of each into here, and then I'm just going to mix it up, and then that's what we're going to put on the sandwiches. And then over here, Mom has some cheese on the sandwich, spinach, and then tomatoes, avocado, cracked pepper, and salt. And look at that, that looks so delicious. Yummy. Also, we're using the Atkins bread, so it's low in carbs.
It's the keto bread.
I mean keto, not Atkins. Yummy. Yay. Beautiful. And now we have all of our sandwiches. Yum. That's what they call Yasmin and John. Alright, it's time to dig in. Mom gets the photo shoot food over there for the plates. How is it, John? Is it delicious?
It's it's delicious.
Yasmin?
It's delicious.
Okay. And now we're all done eating, but I am gonna finish cleaning up the kitchen, gonna do some dishes, gonna put everything away because everything is everywhere. Also, look at my forehead. It's like so shiny. Alright guys, check out what Mom is making. It looks so good. She's making her lobster pasta that she didn't get to make during the party. So we're gonna get to enjoy it. But I'm not eating the pasta portion. I don't know how I'm gonna avoid it. But look at that. Lobster, spinach, Her special compound butter. And oh, the shrimp too. Oh, seafood pasta. The little seafood medley, even though there's just 2 things in the medley, but that's all you need.
This is like the yard house.
Yeah,
Like
mom
spicy
figured out how to make the
garlic.
yard house. Spicy garlic lobster noodles, and it is so good.
Very yummy. Look at that lovely lobster. Lovely lobster. Picture.
I'm trying to, but you keep moving.
Yeah.
There we go. That looks good. Yummy.
Okay.
Alright guys, I pretty much finished cleaning up. Living room is all clean now. There we go. Back here, oh, I have to add more water to my flowers. Only the peonies are dying, but they always die really quickly. So, but everything else looks pretty good. Dining room is all clean, pretty much. Now there's just all this stuff, which is like from the kids' room that we're cleaning out to like donate or sell or send to the Philippines or whatever. So we just need to organize all this stuff. Hey guys, okay, so I am in my room now. Just had dinner with mom and dad, and it was delicious. Yasmin and John and Cade were at Cade's. He had water polo practice. It's so cold, like I don't know how it was freezing. But I know their pool is heated, but it's like drizzling. It was crazy. And then the other 2 boys ate earlier before Cade left to go to water polo. But that's the update for right now. But before I ended today's vlog, I'm actually going to do a late live sale after this, but I just wanted to end the vlog here. But first I wanted to open up something that came in the mail. I don't know if you guys have ever heard of these, but it's by a brand called, I think it's Dew. That's how you spell it. And they make reusable under eye like patches that you just like put whatever serum or moisturizer you want like under your eyes, and then you can just put these patches on, and they're just like reusable under eye patches. And I thought that was really, really cool, and I wanted to try it out. They had a sale, and so I picked up, or I ordered a set. But look how cute. It comes in like this metal tin. And let's open it together. Ah, there they are. So they're made of silicone, reusable under eye patches. Just like put on. Sorry, John was like at the door asking me something. But yeah, so you put these are just like under eye patches made of silicone. You put them on, and they help infuse the products into your skin and just like make you know, just like regular under eye patches. So I'm pretty excited about this. I'm wondering if they would ever make one for like your entire face, because I think that would be fantastic, and I would definitely buy that because I do love a good face mask, and I think that'd be really awesome. So yeah, anyway, I'll let you guys know how these are once I try them out, because I think that if these work out really well, these would be a really good like stocking stuffer or gift for a birthday or for the holidays. So pick this up, and again, I'll let you guys know I just bought a ton of new skincare stuff, and a lot of it I haven't even tried out yet, so I need to get on it. But that is actually going to be the end of today's vlog. Thank you guys again so much for hanging out today. Hope you guys had fun. Don't forget to check out this morning's thrifting video. The new one goes up tomorrow bright and early at 7 a.m. The new vlog is up at 2. And we are having another live sale on Friday at 10 p.m. Pacific Standard Time, and another one on Saturday, also at the same time. But thank you guys again so much for watching. Hope you're enjoying Vlogmas, and I'll see you guys all in the next video. Alright, you bye guys are now in the vlog for tomorrow. So you guys, when you see this video, it'll be up tomorrow. Oh gosh, I still have to edit my videos. Okay, so we're going to be announcing tonight's winner, and that is for this Rebecca Minkoff clutch crossbody bag. And yeah, good luck everyone. So I have my YouTube random comment picker right here, and I have my link for the video. Alright, let's get all of our comments in. Okay, it looks like there's 49 comments. Not me trying to wave at the camera. Megan, you're so funny. All right, we're going to pick the winner in 3, 2, 1. Doo-doo-doo-doo. Belinda Woods. Oh my gosh, Belinda. Are you here? Belinda Woods. Hi, I'm from Alberta, Canada. Ooh, a Canadian. I love it. Belinda, are you in here? Where are you? Also, my pimple looks huge. Let me back up. Belinda? Belinda? Oh man, Belinda, if you're not in here, we're gonna have to go on to the next person. Uh-oh. Okay, I feel like maybe Belinda has left. Alright, I think we're gonna have to call a new winner because I don't see Belinda here. Alright, we're gonna go on to the next. Alright, we're gonna pick a new winner in 3, 2, 1. Wilma Flintstone. Wait, oh no, this is a regular comment from the video. If Wilma's here, then I guess you can win too, but I don't think I saw Wilma in here. Wilma? Aw. Oh, Wilma's been there since they were still practically babies. Oh, how cute. Alright, Wilma, I'm so sorry, but I don't think you're even in here. Let's just call another winner. This is, okay, third time's the charm, right? Alright, in 3, 2, 1. Irene! Irene Kivitz, the Sunshine State of Florida. Irene, are you in here? Irene! Oh, she's on the West Coast, so she might be falling asleep. Irene, congratulations! This is just like last time. Irene? Okay, it looks like we might have to go on to the next person. I don't think Irene's here to claim her prize. Irene? Okay, okay. Don't see you. We're gonna have to go on to someone else. Thank you, next. Fox 10 Blue 13. Alright, another winner in 3, 2, 1. Marjorie Schultz. From the beautiful state of Alabama, and I just want to say you have the best parties. Marjorie! Wait, you just won, Marjorie! You're right there. I literally see you. So congratulations, Marjorie. You have won tonight's giveaway. All the way in Alabama. And you don't have better luck at a casino. You have good luck here. Congratulations. Yes, that's you, Marjorie Schultz. There you are. Congratulations, Marjorie. If you can send me an email with your shipping info, we're going to send that over to you. But congratulations, and thank you to everyone for joining us tonight in tonight's live sale. A Monday, but it was amazing. And I missed you guys so much. Honestly, it was crazy. Like, all I did was chat. Like, only showed like 25 things.